All you need is date. This date is good for this recipe, and then you are gonna grind it. So you're gonna smash it with grinder, with food processor, or you can use one of these old style grinder. And then here you can see some pistachio. You can use almond, you can use any kind of nuts, but pistachio I'm gonna use it because of its color. It's a green color. So I'm gonna break them and I'm gonna wrap it up. And you can see the coconuts, grated coconuts. I'm gonna wrap it up with grated coconuts. So at first, smash the dates with food processor. So I just made it round shape. You just roll it in the grated coconut. This is how it's gonna look. And before I grind the pistachio, I'm just heating it up a little bit so that it doesn't have any more raw taste and it gets crispier. Cool them down before you grind them. Here you warm it up 5 to 10 seconds before you roll them. That's how it will absorb more ground nuts. These are pistachio, that's why it looks great. It looks green. You can also use almonds, and you can also use other nuts like peanuts, cashews. The list goes on. You see, it looks great. These are pretty much done. You can cool it down in the freezer before you serve it. As you can see, our date truffles are done. They look gorgeous. You can serve it on Eid day, for Iftar in Ramadan. They're not just delicious, they're great.